A CV is a summary of academic and professional qualifications, skills, and achievements. This document is particularly important for an applicant because it casts the first impression. Basic elements in a CV are personal details, educational qualifications, college projects, work experience in detail along with your role and responsibilities, co-curricular activities, rewards and recognition, community service records, and hobbies. But do you want the perfect CV? Here are a few common mistakes that you can avoid while drafting your CV. Mistakes in the structure. The CV should not exceed a single page. Avoid lengthy paragraphs and try to use bullet points instead. Each bullet point should not exceed a line. Grammatical and spelling errors can be a big reason for rejection. Take the format of the CV seriously. From leaving a 1-inch margin on both sides to using a single font in bold headings, all aspects of the format must be correct. Your CV should be clean and organized. Use clear headings and appropriate spacing. Avoid using excessive fonts, colors, or graphics that can make your CV appear cluttered. Include your full name, phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile. This should be prominently displayed on your CV. Tailoring your CV. Customize your CV for each application. Do not use a common CV to apply to different universities or job roles. Tailor your CV to the specific course or role you're applying for. To avoid showing lack of focus, don't include irrelevant information. Don't miss out on any academic honors or awards, leadership roles, research projects, or any successful initiative that involves you. Key skills, both technical and soft, that are relevant to the course or job you're applying for should be highlighted. Provide specific examples or achievements to demonstrate your proficiency. Don't include personal information like marital status, religious beliefs, or political affiliations unless asked. Last but not the least, proofread thoroughly. Silly mistakes are never appreciated. To study abroad, you have to make a CV that stands out. Following the above mentioned points can help you build the best CV. Hope you liked watching our video. For more study abroad related content, do subscribe to our channel.